Okay, welcome back to part 2 of part 4. Now, I don't know what temperature it is in here, but I'm going to see what it is. It is 11 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, time to test the ballast. And would you look at that? Let there be light, people. Ta-da, it works. Okay, thank you for watching. Oh, wait, hold on. Okay, so thanks for watching my video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was a long, confusing video, but I'm gonna edit all this and try to see what I can do. I'm gonna give some information about the video, saying which would have happened, and and blah blah blah, and why I was doing this. But I was really doing this for you guys, YouTube, you people out there, all you DIYers and stuff, because I wanted just to help you guys out. So that isn't how you install a new ballast fullham workhorse WH33-120-L. That is how you install one. Thanks for watching my video, and I'll see you next time.